I grew up in Japan where smart toilets are basically a religion, and I've tried dozens of them. And this one, Oh by Tushy, just became my new standard. What does true bathroom luxury actually feel like? A heated seat, warm water, a self-cleaning toilet, and an auto open close lid and flushing toilet? Oh yeah. This is Oh Smart Toilet by Tushy. And after this, you'll never want to go back to a normal toilet again. First things first, O is not a seat attachment. O by Tushy is a smart toilet with a built-in bidet that fits seamlessly into your bathroom space. You can fully customize your experience through its intuitively designed remote control that cleanly nests in a sleek wall mount included in the packaging. Additional front and rear wash controls exist via a knob built into the side of the seat if you don't want to use the remote. O features instant and endless warm water. It uses ceramic core technology to instantly heat water as it passes through, so you'll never run out of warm water. You could adjust the water temperature across 6 deeply relaxing, sensitive skin-friendly settings up to 102 degrees Fahrenheit. O also features front and rear wash with an adjustable halo spray setting that activates a gentle massage and wash feature on the nozzle. You can customize the pressure of the spray across 3 different settings. The massaging effect really hits every single angle. It's a total game changer. What I find so luxurious, especially in the cold mornings, is the soothing, skin-safe, thermal heated seat with 6 temperature settings up to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, Eco Mode saves your seat temperature preference without wasting energy when it's not in use. It truly feels like I am sitting on a warm cloud. I didn't know I needed this until I had it. Built into the seat is a warm air dryer with adjustable settings that allows you to fine-tune the air temperature with 6 thermal settings up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. It will dry you clean in about 1 minute. I find this an amazing feature in fully reducing or limiting my toilet paper use. Sometimes I still use a tiny bit of toilet paper, just a few squares to pat dry if I'm in a rush. Not only is this good for my hygiene, but it's also good for the planet. O features a built-in performance display screen at the base of the seat that allows you to see the temperature of the seat, water, and air dryer from a glance. You can customize your experience with precision controls for seat temperature, water temperature, and dryer temperature via the remote, which are all conveniently displayed on the crystal clear interface. This next feature is the first Tushy bidet model with this type of integration, and I am so excited for it. O by Tushy features automatic cloud spray foam. That means with a press of a button on the remote, from a nozzle on the inside of the toilet bowl, a cleansing foam automatically primes and freshens the bowl after every use. Not only does this reduce splashback, but it also smells Plus, a bottle of cloud spray foam comes free with your purchase. And to make your toileting experience even more delightful and luxurious, O features an advanced self-cleaning setting with UV sterilization that automatically cleans the antimicrobial nozzle after every use for 3 minutes. Plus, there is an integrated water filter that filters the water as it travels through the toilet, guaranteeing you are being washed with the healthiest water on your body's most delicate skin. These features allow you not to worry about any cross-contamination on the nozzle, your skin, or residue left in the bowl. O will deliver a spotless clean every single time. Another feature that sets O apart from Tushy's other electric bidet seat models is this smart toilet features hands-free functionality. The lid and seat will automatically and seamlessly open for you. It has a motion sensor in the base of the toilet that detects your presence and then will close when it senses you leave. What I find really neat is that when it senses you leaving, the toilet will also automatically flush. This is a true hands-free toileting experience. The sensor at the base of the toilet also acts as a button, so you could tap it with your toe using the integrated kick feature. This will trigger the automatic open and close lid and auto flush. The lid and seat are also fully controllable from the remote. To add to the hands-free functionality, O features an integrated night light. An LED light softly illuminates your bathroom to guide you in the dark, so there's no more blinding overhead lights at 3 a.m. when you have to pee. This is what I find sets O apart from every other electric bidet model or smart toilet out there. With the combination of the cloud foam spray, the UV sterilization, and the hands-free functionality, the whole toileting experience is spotless. This is the most premium bathroom experience you could possibly have at home, and you don't need to spend $10,000 like you would with the other smart toilets. We want every booty to have an affordable Japanese toilet experience. Yes, this is the most luxurious Tushy model, but you should know they have a lot of different bidet models, seats, and attachments with different prices and features available. Check them in the link in the description. Now that I've covered all the features, let's talk about O's installation process. The installation here is a little more involved than a standard bidet seat or attachment because O is designed to fully replace your existing toilet by seamlessly integrating into your modern bathroom. Here's what the process actually looks like. In the box, O comes fully stocked with everything you may need for installation. Here's what you need available on your end for installing O by Tushy: a 3-prong 100-volt GFCI outlet within 3 feet of the toilet and a standard cold water supply line. If there is no outlet near the toilet, an electrician will be required to install one first. Yes, it's the most involved installation of any Tushy model, but it's not scary. Everything comes in the box and it's completely worth it. If you're renovating your bathroom, this would be the perfect time to upgrade. By the way, if you're new to bidets, watch the video where I shared everything you need to know on how to use a bidet for men and women. Now, the next big question is it worth it? Let me break it down. Like I said, O by Tushy is best for anyone doing a full bathroom upgrade or remodel. It's also best for anyone who wants the most luxurious, feature-rich bidet experience possible, or anyone who values accessibility and an easy, simple, remote-controlled bathroom experience. Now, if we take a look at the cost of toilet paper, Americans are spending hundreds of dollars on toilet paper a year. Depending on your household size, you could actually be spending much more. And if you think about it, toilet paper isn't even worth it. It's thin, covered in chemicals, and just smears things around. Yuck! So, although it is pricey, based on the luxurious features, the hygiene, and the daily comfort, genuinely delivers the best toileting experience I've ever had, and it's 100% worth it. I grew up with the best smart toilets in the world in Japan, and this holds its own. Very soon, we will have a video comparing Tushy O with the cheapest and mid-priced Tushy bidets. So subscribe so you don't miss that. If you're ready to ditch toilet paper and upgrade your bidet and basic toileting experience and actually invest in your bathroom and yourself, O by Tushy is unmatched. You can find the product link in the description, and for subscribers, you can get a special discount off of this smart toilet or any Tushy bidet models at HelloTushy.com. Fun fact, Tushy bidets can be paid for using your HSA or FSA card at checkout, making it even more accessible. If you have any questions, drop them below. Thanks, and see you in the next one!